Import your green screen to the timeline. My aspect ratio is 16:9, so I will scale my footage a bit. And if you want to know where I get the footages I use in my videos, just watch to end of the video, and I will show you to free websites to use. Now import the footage you want to replace your green screen with. Then make sure all your footages have the same duration. Now resize and position your footage on the green screen, and also you can crop some part off, if there is the need to do so. Position your footage very well on the green screen. Then move your green screen from the main layer, and place it on top of your footage. Now we have to remove the green screen. Go to video and click on remove background. Select chroma key, then use the color picker to select the green color on the screen to remove it, so the video behind can show. You can adjust the intensity the way you want it. And select your video and adjust it to fit your screen. So if you want stock free footages to use in your video, visit Pexels or Pixabay, and they are copyright free. So if you find this video helpful, subscribe, like and leave a comment. See you in the next video. This tutorial is straightforward, but make sure you don't skip any part or it might not turn out good.